and ahoy as we say in Slovak. I am Arpita Chaudhary and it is my extreme pleasure to welcome all of you, especially our dignitaries who are present on stage, our distinguished business leaders and honored guests. It is a remarkable day celebrating the strengthening bond of Indo-Slovak diplomatic relations. We now turn our focus to a critical aspect of this partnership, business and trade collaboration. The establishment of the Honorary Consulate of the Slovak Republic in Kolkata is not just a diplomatic milestone, but a gateway to deeper economic engagement. And today's B2B session is a step in that direction. Let us now welcome this exciting new chapter with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so excited and so honored that we have such distinguished personality present here amongst us today. And I would like to take this opportunity to extend our gratitude and give them a warm welcome. I would request all of you, please put your hands together because right now with us present is Dr. Shashi Panja, Honorable Minister of Industry, Commerce and Enterprise, Government of West Bengal. We also have His Excellency Yurai Blanar, Honorable Minister of Foreign and European Affairs, Slovak Republic. A very warm welcome to you, His Excellency Ladislav Kamenetsky, Minister of Finance, Slovak Republic. Mr. Manoj Pant, Chief Secretary, Government of West Bengal. Mrs. Vandana Yadav, Principal Secretary, Industry, Commerce and Enterprise Department, Government of West Bengal. His Excellency Rastislav Kovanec, State Secretary of the Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs, Slovak Republic. A very warm welcome to you. We also have with us His Excellency Robert Maxian, Ambassador of Slovakia in India, and Shri Murari Lal Lohia ji, Chairman Emeritus Jupiter Group. And with us right now we have His Excellency Mr. Vivek Lohia, our new Honorary Consul General of Slovak Republic, and Mr. Devashish Dr. Chairman CII West Bengal State Council. A very warm welcome to everyone on the dais. Thank you so much for being here. So now we will take this opportunity to do the lighting of the lamp. So now let's begin with the session and to officially open the Slovak Indo-Business Forum, I now invite the esteemed Dr. Shashi Panja, Honorable Minister of Industry, Commerce and Enterprise, Government of West Bengal, to set the stage for today's discussion and opportunities in business and trade. It is my extreme pleasure and pride to welcome and take a moment to introduce His Excellency Mr. Yurai Blanar, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, with a steadfast commitment to fostering global partnership. His leadership continues to pave the way for strategic collaborations between our nation. It is such an honor to have you here. I would request you to kindly address everyone here. Can we please give him a huge round of applause? A very warm welcome to you. I would like to invite on stage next His Excellency Mr. Vivek Lohia, Honorary Consul General of the Slovak Republic in Kolkata, to the stage for his remarks. Can we please give him a huge round of applause? A very warm welcome to you.